Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Do you like to do a bit of after Christmas shopping like I do? Well, if you'd like to see what I picked up from a few stores, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some items that I picked up from Bath & Body Works, Target, and Lowe's at their after Christmas sales. And actually the Lowe's is the Lowe's near my house that's closing, and their items are now 40 to 70% off. So I thought I would share those in with you, just the items that we picked up that are for me. My husband picked up some items too, but I'm not going to share those. So first I will start with Bath & Body Works items because that's the first place we went to. So the first stop we made was at Bath & Body Works, and right now some of their shower gel and bath items are 75% off, some are 50% off, some are a set $3, and so on. So I like to stock up on the shower gel at this time of year, and I got 6 of each of the following fragrances. So I got 6 of the Vanilla Bean Noel. I wish it weren't green, but I'm just getting it more for the fragrance. My bathroom's more neutral colored, so it'll look fine, but I like the fragrance of vanilla. And then the other one I got is this Frosted Coconut Snowball, and this smells really good like coconut. So vanilla and coconut are very kind of neutral fragrances. You can use them all year long. So normally these are $12.50 a piece. You can find sales where they're on sale, but 75% off. So I did get 6 of each of those. That will last at least a whole year. And then they had some of their hand soaps for $3, and I like to use them in our guest bathroom, so I picked up this Sunshine and Lemons. I got a couple of those that you can use all year long. And then I picked up Gardenia and Spring Rain, so I think you can use that all year long, and those will kind of go with my guest room area. And then I got some candles. The candles these were $10 a piece. They are the 3-wick candles. And I didn't get out to the store when they had Candle Day, when they're $8 something a candle, but these smell wonderful. This one is limoncello. Smells like a lemon cream pie. That's the best way I can describe it. So I wanted to get a couple of those for my kitchen. I thought that would smell really nice. And then I hadn't seen this one before, but it's called Black Teakwood. I picked up one of these, and it has this hammered copper top on it. And this has, it's more of a musky, like aftershave type smell. But it's really nice, and the color's going to go with our bonus room, so I thought I would try that. It has a very wintry feel to it, so when I'm done burning the candle that I have in there now, which I think is one of those bourbon pecans or maple pecan ones, I can never remember the name of it, I shared it before, then I think I'll start burning this one. It smells really good too. So that's it for Bath & Body Works. Now I'm going to share with you my Target items. So for once at my Target, they actually had some of the seasonal dollar spot items on sale half off. And they had a few blanket scarves left. And the colors in this are really pretty and vibrant, but they're toned down by some navy. And I recently went shopping for some clothes at Talbot's. They were having 40% off everything, including their items that were already on clearance. And I picked up some sweaters and long sleeve t-shirts that had these colors in them. So I was really happy to find this. And these blanket scarves, you may be familiar, they're normally $7. So this was $3.50, and it is a full-size one. It's not the child size that they sometimes have. Now, there's a couple items I'm not going to show you, but just know that if you saw some items in the dollar spot, you may want to go check them out, because they did have a fair number of things actually I hadn't seen before Christmas, at mine anyway. So I got some things I'm not going to share because I may use them as presents later on. So let me set those aside. And then the back of the store was also, where they have the seasonal items, was also on sale 50% off. Now, I did not pick up anything that I felt like I could not live without, and I only got items that I would be sad if I went back when they're 75% or 90% off. So I'm waiting on getting any new wrapping paper or other things that I might use to fill in reading cards, that sort of thing. I'm waiting till they go more discounted, but there were some things I wanted to pick up now that might not be there when it's a higher discount. So next year, I'm already thinking about what I might want to do in my family room for decor, and I have some other ornaments someone gave us one time that we haven't used, and I'm thinking of using those. So I wanted to get some of the shatterproof ornaments to go along with those. So I found some of the shatterproof ornaments. These had been $5 before Christmas. I'll turn it around so you can see the colors. There's kind of a shiny rose color, sparkly gold, a blush pink satin, a shiny champagne color, a sparkly burgundy color. It's a little deeper than the shiny rose, and then a couple of matte champagne, and then one shiny rose gold. And these, like I said, these were $5 before Christmas. They're $2.50 now. They are shatterproof. I also got a similar set, but this is all kind of a champagne gold color. So those will coordinate together. Okay, sorry for the interruption. My daughter and a friend of hers came downstairs, so I had to cut that off a little bit. But I did find some small bulb ornaments in a tube. This tube is normally $3, so it was $1.50. And I figure I can make some ornament clusters out of these for decor next year. And then I got the gold tree, as I showed you, and then I found a couple of packs of the round ones that had the champagne colored gold ornaments, and also a few silver ornaments. I thought I could use those also with the same theme that I'm going for next year. And I didn't find any of these before Christmas, but I did find two of them in the clearance section, and they are the little galvanized metal screens. And these are the galvanized ones. I gotta hold them so they don't get mess up the camera. Last time I held them up, it caused the camera to skip. But I got two of those, and I may set them up for after Christmas scenes this year, since they're not, they're kind of generic. They're not necessarily Christmassy. I'm just rearranging some things here so I can show you one or two more items. And then I was particularly looking for the small version of the birds that I collect. I don't usually buy these full price. I usually wait till they're on sale. But they had some more of the pink ones that I did buy a few of full price. They had just one of these. And then they had these, they only had one of more of the whimsical set, but this one's very cute. I didn't pick up this set this year in the full-size version. Here's the more country farmhouse looking set, and I did find all of them for that set. And then, we got one more little ornament. This is just adorable. See? So there's those, and then I did want to pick up some tissue paper. That tends to get sold out before they mark things down the final time. So I picked up 2 of these. They have a navy and red buffalo check, a plain green, and a plain red. So I got that. And then I have one more item. It was also at the back of the store in the clearance section, although it's not specifically a Christmas item. Sorry for disappearing there. This is a threshold piece. It's very heavy. This was originally $24.99. It is a marble serving platter with gold or brass type handles on it. It's kind of scallopy looking, and it was 50% off, so I got it for $12.50, and I figured I can use this in tablescapes. In fact, I have one coming up I may use it for. And it's very nice on the bottom where the handles come through. It already has foam pads on it, so it won't scratch your table or your counters wherever you use it. And I don't know if it's Carrara marble, but it does have a little bit of shimmer to the stone, but it's just a beautiful piece, and there was nothing wrong with it. There were no chips, no cracks, nothing. They had 3 of them, so I picked up one of them. And that's it for my Target. So the last thing I'll show you is Lowe's, because that's the last place we went. Okay, so these are not going to be nearly as exciting as the Target, but I thought I would show you that my Lowe's still has some items left that I hadn't seen before. These were tucked back behind some other hardware, so that's why I think somebody had missed them, as most of the other command items are gone. But these are the Velcro mounting strips, and I found one package, and I thought it'd be very handy to keep on hand. And then also, these were just kind of lying on a shelf, and I did need some of these, some boot clips to hang up boots. I have some I ordered from Amazon, and the little clip thing is getting loose, so it's not holding some of my boots. And then I have another pair of boots that didn't have a hanger. So there were 2 of them, and I picked up both of them. And then I am going to be redoing a table for my guest bedroom that I'll probably shoot for a video. And I wanted to get just a small can of polyacrylic to use over the top surface to help protect it. I'm planning on chalk painting the table, but I don't want to put the wax coating on the surfaces that are horizontal, because I expect they'll get a lot of use. So I definitely am going to put this on the flat surfaces, and then if I have enough, I'll just coat the whole thing in it. And then the very last thing I picked up were some aged bronze curtain rings. I am changing out the curtains in my guest bedroom. I have some blinds in there right now, but I'm really tired of dusting those blinds. So a while back I had found some curtains on clearance that match my decor in that room, and right now they are rod pockets, but they don't slide very well and they move the curtain rod around. So I wanted to find some clip style curtain rings so that the panels could just hang from the curtain rod, and that way they could slide more easily and not push the curtain rod around. So hopefully these will work. I think they're the right diameter. And I did mention we got some things for my husband. We're going to be working on shifting the garage a little bit around, so you may see some of those. I may give a before and after tour of that once we're done with that project. But that's a longer project, so if we do put some things into the garage that I got on sale at Lowe's, I will tell you what they are at the time. We are replacing 2 light fixtures that we have in there. So right now we were able to find some more industrial looking lighting fixtures that I think will work a lot better for the lighting out there than what we have. So that's it, and I will close out the video. So most of my items that I picked up were practical items that I had a need for, particularly the ones at Lowe's. Not so much the Christmas decor items from Target, but the other ones are things I would end up buying anyway, so I might as well get them while they're on clearance. After Christmas clearance. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it gave you some ideas for things you might be able to pick up if you're in need of items like I was. And if not, maybe you just like to go out and get a good bargain on some things. One of the other things I like to do, as I mentioned, is stock up on gifts for future birthdays and holidays. So I sometimes pick up a few of those types of items too when I can get them on clearance. And I have a particular place that I keep them during the rest of the year so I can pull them out as needed. If you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home, including haul videos like this one. So I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below or using the icon down in the bottom corner. And if you are a returning subscriber, once again, thank you for watching. And I really enjoy having all of you just joining my community here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you are having a healthy and happy holiday season so far, and I may post another video before New Year's, but if not, then I wish all of you a very happy New Year. Bye bye everyone.